How to change password in the Shopify store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your password in the Shopify store. First, visit the Shopify admin website on your web browser. Once logged in, tap the Settings option in the bottom left corner. You will be directed to the Settings menu and find the Password option. Go to the User and Permission tab to find this setting. Now, tap the Shopify account username on the left side. Then navigate to the Security tab and you can create a password for your account. It will also allow you to change your password by adding the current one. After changing it, you can log into your account using the new password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.